Hello students, today we are going to start with one of the very interesting topic, that is 1.4 Big Data, Big Insights. Students, we all know that how important our IT sectors have become and how connected we are with it nowadays. We know how information technology is developing day by day, so it's very important to know what is big data, what is big insight. So let us learn what is big data. Big data is a data but with a huge size. Big data is a term used to describe a collection of data that is huge in volume and yet growing with time. In short, such a data is so large and complex that none of the traditional data management tools are able to store it or process it efficiently. For example, you order something online or you do online shopping. For example, any t-shirt, dresses or any type of shoes on Flipkart or Amazon. So what do? You have to provide your information or your data on that apps. For example, your name, your location, your phone number. So it means what? That someone is monitoring your data, or that means they are going through all your data. The other examples, such as sharing messages on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube videos that you watch it. So what do? You provide so many information about yourself, about your location, about your name, about your contact numbers, etc. So these all are used. These all are used by the companies or the industries. For what purpose? In order to create new growth opportunities and entirely new categories of companies that can combine and analyze industry data. Now, these companies have ample information about the products and services, buyers and suppliers, and consumer preferences that can be captured and analyzed. For example, if you like chocolate ice cream or any sort of fast food like pizza or burger, and you can see the recommendations on the YouTube videos are according to your choices. So it's not the amount of data that is important, but what the organizations do with the data is what matters. Now let us see one by one the uses of big data. So first use is location tracking. Let us see how it is used in tracking the location. Now students, big data is useful to identify and track the exact location of a place. Like for example, your GPS and Google Maps make use of big data. For example, with geographic positioning and radio frequency identification sensors, we get to know the real time data about traffic, congestion on a particular route, information if the route is closed or if it is a one way route, understanding the accident prone areas, etc. Also, you can plan your own routes or roads. Now, for example, if you have ordered something online, you can track the location of your goods in transit. You can also track the condition of the goods. So, this has immensely helped the logistic companies to reduce the risk in transport and improve speed and reliability in delivery. Now, the second use of big data is understanding the weather patterns. Now, huge amount of data is continuously being received from the weather sensors and satellites set up all around the globe. Now, they help us to understand the weather and help in weather forecasting. Weather patterns give us warnings of natural calamities like floods, earthquakes, tsunami, etc. Necessary preparations to combat them can be made well in advance. We can study global warming, predict availability of natural resources like water, etc. So our next use of big data is healthcare industry. Today we see that people have become health conscious. The smartwatches, other wearable, the health apps in our phone keep on collecting data. We can say that they are our own mini biomedical research devices. They detect our heart rate, monitor the patient's sleep pattern, keep a record of his exercise, the distance walked, etc. Nowadays, we have also gadgets to monitor the blood sugar level, the blood pressure, etc. at home. Patients can be monitored in the hospitals too for 24/7. With the help of big data, the doctors can now have better diagnosis of any ailment or diseases, the effect of any drug, etc. Unnecessary guesswork can be reduced. Now, past records of the patients can also be maintained and better analysis of the health can be obtained. Big data helps in monitoring the outbreak of epidemics and diseases. Just when you post your message, I am down with flu on WhatsApp or Facebook, it will be monitored and the areas affected by flu can be easily located and necessary precautions can be taken. For example, nowadays we have Arogya Setu app to help citizens identify the risk of COVID-19. Now, students, the rest of the chapter will be explained in part 2.